Hey everyone, welcome back. Vacuums handle crumbs and pet hair, but real stains need a carpet cleaner. These machines use water, solution, and strong suction to pull dirt out of carpet fibers. If you've got pets, kids, or frequent spills, they're a game changer. With so many options out there, I tested the best carpet cleaners of 2026 on Real Stains, fresh and set-in. Today, I'm breaking down the top 8 carpet cleaners worth your money. Let's dive in. Starting at number 8, we have the Tenneco Carpet One Cruiser, and this is my pick for best carpet cleaner for low-pile carpets. The Tenneco impressed me with its sleek engineering and cleaning capabilities. In testing, it fully removed tough stains like jelly, chocolate milk, and hot sauce, both fresh and dried. But here's what really wowed me: the drying feature. This thing has a light indicator that tells you the humidity level of the carpet in real time. If you've ever had to yell at someone, "Don't step there," or cringed when you got your own socks wet walking across a freshly cleaned carpet, you'll appreciate this. I couldn't find a way to disable it either, and the directions are pretty sparse. But once you get the hang of it, it could alleviate some of the effort required to push these machines around, especially when cleaning larger spaces. It's at number 8 because while the cleaning performance is excellent and the drying feature is fantastic, that smart motion detection is polarizing. At number 7, we've got the Shark Stain Striker Portable Carpet Cleaner, and this is my pick for best stain removal. Let me just say it up front. Out of all the carpet cleaners I tested, the Stain Striker is number 1 in the stain removal department. It lifts the most stains with the fewest swipes. It's designed with 2 solution tanks, one for water mixed with Shark's cleaning concentrate and another for Shark's Oxweed formula, which is specifically made for deep cleaning. With these powerful solutions and the included tools, I could remove every type of stain I threw at it, wet and dry, including butter, wine, and chocolate. The solution sprays in a nice fan-like pattern that saturates the stained area without getting surrounding surfaces wet. Unlike other cleaners with powerful suction that require you to use your entire body to pull them off seat cushions, the Stain Striker delivers strong suction without being a workout. It's at number 7 because while it's the absolute best at stain removal, it's a portable unit, which means it's not ideal for whole room deep cleaning. Coming in at number 6 is the Dirt Devil Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, and this thing surprised me. If you're looking for a value-friendly carpet cleaner that still has strong suction power, this is it. It's the only carpet cleaner I tested in this price range that truly rivals higher-end models. This portable machine includes 2 attachments, a 2-in-1 pet tool with bristles and a stain tool. It also comes with a 6-ounce bottle of cleaning solution. Now, here's the thing. After treating 6 stains, I ran out of solution pretty quickly. I highly recommend diluting the formula to maximize its use. The machine lifts red wine stains quickly and without issues. Chocolate stains require a bit more scrubbing, but they start to lift after a few more passes. Nothing too concerning. It's at number 6 because it offers excellent value for the price. The suction power genuinely rivals machines that cost significantly more. At number 5, we have the Bissell Little Green Mini Portable Carpet and Upholstery Cleaner, my pick for best carpet cleaner for small spaces. The lightweight, compact design is fantastic. It weighs just 7 pounds, which is nearly 3 pounds lighter than the original Little Green. That makes it incredibly easy to carry one-handed as you move from room to room, tackle stairs, or even clean your car's interior. It's the perfect choice if you don't have much storage space, or if you just have a few rugs, chairs, or car interiors to clean rather than wall-to-wall carpeting. The Little Green Mini comes with the same handy accessories that made the original a favorite: Bissell's cleaning solution, a 4-inch stain tool, and a self-cleaning hose tool that prevents dirt buildup. It's at number 5 because it's excellent for what it's designed to do: portable, lightweight spot cleaning. The compact size and ease of use make it perfect for apartments, small homes, or car interiors. Number 4 brings us the Rug Doctor Portable Spot Cleaner, and if you have pets, pay attention to this one. If pets are part of your household, you've probably used an enzyme cleaner to tackle stains by hand. But that approach isn't always enough. In my testing, the Rug Doctor Portable Cleaner stood out for removing both fresh and set-in stains, as well as ammonia odors. The large 64-ounce tanks are a major advantage. That means way less refilling and emptying during big jobs or multi-room cleaning compared to smaller portable models. Now, it is louder than other portable cleaners I tested, and it's fairly heavy when full. But the retractable handle and large wheels make it easy to maneuver or store in a closet. A bonus feature for pet owners, the Rug Doctor's nozzle has rubberized bristles that lift pet hair while tackling stains. So you're getting hair removal and deep cleaning in one pass. It's at number 4 because it's an excellent portable option, especially for pet owners. The large tanks, odor removal capability, and pet hair lift make it ideal for households with animals. At number 3, we have the Bissell Big Green Professional Carpet Cleaner, my pick for best professional-grade machine. Filling, carrying, and securing the 1.75-gallon tank was effortless. I especially appreciated the spinning flow indicator, which clearly signals when it's time to refill the cleaning solution. No guessing, no stopping to check, it just tells you. While the hefty build looks intimidating, the adjustable fold-flat handle makes storage simpler than you'd expect. That said, moving its 40-plus pounds up or down stairs will likely require a second person or some serious muscle. In testing, the Big Green left carpets feeling soft without becoming overly damp. That balance is important. You want clean carpets, but you don't want them soaking wet for hours. It's at number 3 because it delivers professional-level performance with surprising ease of use. If you have a lot of carpet to clean or you want rental-quality cleaning at home, this is your machine. Coming in at number 2 is the Hoover SmartWash Pet Automatic Carpet Cleaner, and this is my pick for best value. One feature I really love about this Hoover is that it automatically mixes the cleaning solution with water in the tank. No measuring, no guessing, no messing around, just fill it up and go. To use it, you simply push the unit forward to dispense the solution. No trigger required. Then pull it back to extract dirty water and start drying the carpet. It's incredibly intuitive. Even if you've never used a carpet cleaner before, you'll figure this out in about 30 seconds. It also has a convenient dry-only mode that applies heat on the forward pass to help speed up drying. This is fantastic for high-traffic areas where you can't have the carpet wet for long. The cleaner comes with an 8-foot hose and a 22-foot power cord, giving decent reach for stairs and upholstery. It's at number 2 because it offers exceptional value. The automatic solution mixing, intuitive push-pull operation, and strong suction make this easy to use and effective. And finally, at number 1, the Bissell Revolution Hydro Steam Carpet Cleaner. This is my pick for best overall carpet cleaner, and here's why. Unlike many steam cleaners on the market that don't actually produce real steam, this one genuinely does. And that steam helped lift stubborn stains that other cleaners struggled with. It also offers a quick-dry mode that leaves carpets touch dry in under 30 minutes. If you've got kids or pets constantly tracking through, that fast drying is a game changer. Using this model is simple. The tank is easy to fill, and there are 3 cleaning modes to choose from depending on what you're tackling. In my testing, it effortlessly removed set-in mustard and wine stains, stains that I deliberately let sit to make them harder. It's at number 1 because it delivers the complete package. True steam cleaning that actually works, quick dry mode for faster turnaround, easy fill tank, and intuitive controls. Alright, those are our top 8 carpet cleaners of 2026. Drop a comment with the worst stain you've ever tackled, hit like and subscribe for more honest testing, and I'll see you in the next one.